Yes, 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 yes. The general nation people, the 10-star one. Yes, 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 yes. Sure is. Hear what me I say right about now, no nation people. Cause you know where concrete step already, And anywhere we step, from it shaky, it a go broke off down there, So right about now, me see everybody and their mother run out and claim say them want chat in the best way for stay. Oh, them can bring down popcorn. Some of them are go like them truthful and rightful Gaza nation. When we personally know say them full of beer crap. Some of them, most of the vlogger them are the algorithm them are run down. Some of them are, most of them are run down views, and some people are run down credibility for act like say well lend them intelligent in terms of making certain type of speech or them feel like justify for them and them poppy show friend. Una know we not easy already, Una know high grade we smoke and we no burn beady. We watch everybody around and a talk about the topic between Popcaan and him brother. Here's what I say. We choose not to elaborate on it because first thing, the thing them when brother go on with, we not too into them type of argument there because we are real man. A real man hold certain type of discipline and respect and integrity. So when you're a real man, and not every shit you run into. But me see them people here go like them real. You see what I say? And most of all, them don't even real to themselves. And I go show you, say, all of them where you see a run out. And I go like say, them want chat things to so make it so justify in a certain people ears to make it sound like them intelligent. Me I go show you say the whole of them are lunatic. You hear me I say, cause them shaky and 10-star of a step concrete we and broke off necessary down there. Now give me sting no dead about it. Watch it make me step nation people of the world. It's not a plan. Hey, so watch what go on, Carefully, A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know it go already, when I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, good my brother. You know a loud explosion bought you. Watch me man. Are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Your nation people. You don't know me not easy. High grade me smoke and me not burn beady. Regular me tell them and it sound like or look like them don't even believe me. But watch it, make me sound the big thing and lick down all for easy. Yeah, so what I say? Right about now, you know the history between Popcaan and the bun off and white business. Remember, say, the whiting come from Portmore Empire before it even turned in a Gaza. You see what I say? Upon the borderline, all of them shit they create. You see what I say? You have videos, you see me, for sure you way back when Vibes Cartel, a white beer people in there, him and the same Popcaan. So, a way back style and a Gaza shit. You see what I say? And here we go on. Right about now, everybody will come out with no form of shaky thing on the internet. Everybody know Popcaan come out and why the people them and burn off. Yes, so I say. So me not see how comes in a nowhere our farm Popcaan brother supposed to do nothing shaky and him not come say burn off. How that? How him not for come say burn off? It did a look one-sided. It don't even look real because him a walk and a burn off everything was shaky. And anybody will go out with no shaky thing. It only fear if him burn off him brother said speed because shaky thing him go on with. No, Popcaan say burn off, which is right in a everybody eyesight because you can't burn off everybody will do shaky thing and your brother do shaky shit and you not burn it off. Yes, so I say, so the man say burn off. Me don't know what kind of problem all these jockstrap sniffers have right now. People are run out and I make video and I say this about Jake and me, Mills and him deal with them man there and how him I tell him say burn off him brother and whatever. The man they tell him none of them say him stop deal with him brother. The man they tell you say him is a man I got deal with him brother any different way where no physical activity or no mental shit for them on him certain way or even no financial shit. The man they tell us him burn off all of that from him brother. Eh? Which one are honor? And the man hold them type of argument that when me hear on have on the internet. Eh? None of honor. And the man no go through them type of argument upon the internet. What all are honor doing on the internet, it's nothing but critics. You see that one I do? A critics on the caller. You see what I say? So nobody feel like say uno sound good or uno sound right and I go like say uno tough and I run this and I run. Uno all chatting critics, my brother. You see what I say? And all the ladies them like pamper them and the whole of them will even run out and want to sound good and want to sound like them well decent and them well disciplined and well grounded in terms of how decent and intelligent citizen live. That one I do a critics on my brother. Yeah, and Popcaan no hold them argument. The Popcaan never tell you about nothing personally about him and him family, them relationship, my brother. Popcaan come out and say burn off, which is right, because every youth or every girl or anybody will go on with nothing shaky on the internet. That's why him come and say, him say why or burn off. So if him brother or him family or him sister or anybody will move shaky, it only right for him come out, come burn off that said speed. So him not do nothing wrong. Him not practice what him preach. Because him never come out, come burn off that, The whole only have something for say, because me notice it, nobody can please, him never come out, come burn off that. Only that want to say, see it, him burn out everything and burn off everything from everybody and why everybody, but him know why him own brother. You know what I mean? True, him brother, him know why burn off and why. Him never did do that. So, and the man do it, so I want to know where him supposed to do for please now. Because you have to remember, Popcaan life, a female, is not phony, my brother. So you not dictate to a big man how him supposed to live his life, my brethren. You have to know that, You can only have opinion, my brethren. Yes, what I say? But you can't dictate to no big